So then today we are going to see here assembling the total stiffness matrix. Assembling the total stiffness matrix. Okay, that means here by suspension matrix by superposition, suspension superposition by superposition. So that is called here direct stiffness matrix. Okay, దాన్ని మనం direct stiffness matrix అంటాం. So in here, okay, I am going to take these two elements like here you see this not this 1 minute. Yes, here you see this one is 3. Yeah, this element and this element. Okay, these two elements I am going to take. With these two elements I am going to consider, and now with only k, only this k value. Okay, this is first second element of k value, and this is element 1 యొక్క k value. So I am going to take these two k values in here. Okay, for finding total stiffness matrix. So then the first element stiffness k, that is equal to k1 minus k1 minus k1 k1. Then this here we see this one is u1 and this one is we called u3. So this one is u1 and this one is u3. In the similar way, we are going to take the equation element 2 stiffness is here k2 minus k2 minus k2 k2. So similarly, we write down here u. So this is u3 and this is here also like this. Okay, this is, you can put it, take equation number 1. I'm going to take this equation. Okay, here u1, see here u1 written above the column and next to the row indicate the degree of freedom associated with element row and column. So see here, this is column and this is row. Okay, that's the degree of freedom. This is called a degree of freedom associated with the u1. And then now therefore here we see that is element 1 is associated with the axial displacement at nodal 1. The axial displacement at nodal 1, come to this point here. Okay, nodal 1 and the same time and 3, 1 and 3, this element. Okay, this single element. And now we are going to take this second element is coming from here, the associated with nodal 3 and nodal 2. The second element is associated with nodal 3 and nodal 2. So therefore, the element stiffness matrix cannot be added together. So element stiffness matrix cannot be added together. Then to suppose that means that superimpose the element matrices, we must expand them to the order of this total structure stiffness matrix. Okay, the total structure of the stiffness matrix we need here. Okay, now the element matrix is associated with all degree of freedom of the structure. All degree of freedom of the structure. So we simply added rows here. We simply added this one coming from here, rows and columns. Okay, rows and columns of zeros for those displacements not associated with a particular element. So here we are going to add here zeros here zeros, here also zeros, here also zeros. Then I can write this equation in here. K1 into 1, 0, minus 1. See, the K is I'm going to take outside here. Okay, the K1 I'm going to take outside. Then here 1. In between I said zeros, columns and rows. I am going to put here zeros. Then here 0, 0, 0, minus 1, 0, 1. And now here the calculation of here element U1, U2 and U3. This is the singular element, that is called first element. The function, now here we are going to write the function of this one is also called f1x, f2x, f3x. The element is 1. So first element, okay. So the first element can write so this matrix form, okay. This is the stiffness matrix form. And then now we are going to see next one, K2. The similar way, I'm going to write here, okay. The similar way, the element 2, the stiffness matrix element 2, okay. Now here we see the element 2 also you can write down here 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, minus 1, 0, minus 1. You can see not in between. Okay, ikkada chusara manam in between lo add chesam zeros. In here we are adding start of the row and starting of the column. We take like the two forms in here. And similar way here we are going to write U1, U2, U3. What is the element? 2. The element is 2. Similarly, the function f of 1x, f of 2x, f of 3x. The element is 2. The second element is 2. So we can rearrange the stiffness matrix like this. Okay. And now considering force equilibrium at each node resulting, force equilibrium is in, okay, force equilibrium at each node. So now here the force equilibrium f1x, that is the first element. Now here we put 0, f3x, element number 1, plus, then here 0, f2x, second element, f3x, that is also second element. So that is equal to the force, equilibrium of force. Now then he can write F1 with x-axis, F2 x-axis, F3 x-axis. Okay, so this is the force. You can find the force like this. Now, where this is the equation, okay, is really that the thing is here we are going to see the point here in previous equation we see the force equation already we find see here like this, the force is coming like here. Okay, now here is F is equal to F of 1 like this. Okay, and now we see that is the equation. Yeah, here we see this one, this formation and this formation. Okay, we are going to take this like this equations. I am going to write rearrangement of this one. Okay, I am going to write here also this formation. You see. Okay, first lo మనం ఎలాగైతే రాసామో అలాగే ఇక్కడ కూడా నేను రాయడానికి ట్రై చేస్తాను. ఇప్పుడు now here we are going to see this one. This one I am going to simplify k1 into 1 0 minus 1 0 0 0 minus 1 0 1 is over, and then now here u1 u2 u3, the first element. Okay, so that is plus k2. This one you write down like this, and now this one I am going to write 0 0 0 0 1 minus 1 0 minus 1 1. Okay, some of the functions here u1 u2 u3, that is the second element. This is second element, that is equal to here the force f1x f2x f3x. This is first element, this is second element. I can write here. Okay, now the simplifying this. Okay, now I am going to simplifying this. What happened? K1 0 minus K1 0 K2 minus K2 minus K1 minus K2 and again K1 plus K2. This is the matrix simplification. Now here we see u1, u2 and u3. So then this is equal to f1x, f2x, f3x. Like this. Okay. Now we are going to calculate. This is the procedure to calculate the stiffness matrix. Okay. And here the superscript indicating the element numbers associated with nodal displacements have been dropped because u1 is coming from here. The first element is really u1 to u2 to. The second element of u2 is really u2, and by equation, this equation, okay, is here we are written in previous. You see u3 1, that is equal to u3, second element is equal to u3. Already we discussed like this form on previous. See, in this equation we written like this. Okay, the node 3 displacement of the total assemblage equation. So obtained through superposition is indicate identically. Okay, superposition is identically in this equation. So the expanded element stiffness matrix, the expanded element stiffness matrix here, you can take this one, okay, called equation number 2 and equation number 3. So these two equations, I am going to take these two equations would have been added directly to obtain this total stiffness matrix of this structure. Okay, ఇప్పుడు ఈ రెండు కూడా నేను యాడ్ చేసుకొని total stiffness of matrix అనేది నేను ఫార్మ్ చేస్తాను. Okay, and the same time you can use this equation. Now see here this equation. Now this is the equation. Now I find finally. So what is this? 3. Now here I put it 4, equation number 4. Now we see here in this equation, this reliable method of directly assembling individual element stiffness matrix to form the total structure stiffness matrix and the total set of matrix equations, okay, is called the direct stiffness matrix. So this is coming from here, direct stiffness matrix. Okay, this reliable method of డైరెక్ట్లీ అసెంబ్లింగ్ ఇండివిజువల్ గా ఉన్న పార్ట్స్ మొత్తం మనం అసెంబ్లింగ్ చేసేసుకొని అసెంబ్లీ అయిన పార్ట్స్ మొత్తాన్ని కూడా స్టిఫ్నెస్ మ్యాట్రిక్స్ కింద ఫామ్ చేసే దాన్నే టోటల్ స్ట్రక్చర్ స్టిఫ్నెస్ మ్యాట్రిక్స్ అని అంటాం అనమాట. సో ద టోటల్ సెట్ ఆఫ్ స్టిఫ్నెస్ ఈక్వేషన్ ఈజ్ కాల్డ్ ది డైరెక్ట్ స్టిఫ్నెస్ మెథడ్. ఓకే, ఏదైతే మనం ఇప్పుడు ఫామ్ చేసేసి ఒక ఈక్వేషన్ కింద రాసామో దాన్నే మనం డైరెక్ట్ stiffness matrix ani here. In this direct stiffness matrix, the element 1, okay, in previous you are going to take, this is K, first element. What you can write? K1 minus K1 minus K1 K1. You can write like this. And U1 U3, this is associated with U1 and U3. So then here we see the equation here, element 2 of stiffness matrix. Okay, K2 minus K2 and then minus K2 K. Now I am going to write this total K is equal to the stiffness matrix K is, I get the formation of this K1 0 minus K1, so 0 K2 minus K2, now minus K1, this one, and now here he see this one here K1, this is K2, so K1 plus K2, so here minus K2, this one. Okay, now here we get this one plus this one, so finally we get K1 plus K2. So here notes U1 U2 U3, this one U1 U2 U3 associated with this 3 elements. You see here, this is the first equation. We are associated with here separately U1 U3 U3 and U2, this is the separate. Okay, but now here we are get together. Okay, get together, the final result it will come like this. Okay, this is the matrix formation. This is the called direct stiffness matrix method. Okay, and next class we are going to see here boundary conditions. Okay, now you can have any doubt, ask me.
Excuse me, sir.
Okay, Chepu Viranji.
Sir, equation number 4, sorry, చూపించండి సార్.
Equation number 4 is this.
ఈక్వేషన్ నెంబర్ 4 పైన ఇప్పుడు కొంచెం పైన స్టార్టింగ్ లో ఉంది చూడండి సార్. పైన స్టార్టింగ్ లో ఆ వాల్యూలు ఎలా వచ్చాయి సార్?
These we are going to take in previous. Directly. Yes, function f of function. See here. This one. Okay. This note. What I said no? Note.
Yes, sir.
F of function 1. No, this is the element 1. We are going to take here f of 1x, f of 3x.
3x. Okay, sir.
Okay. That's a formation here. F of 1, f of 3.
Okay, sir.
Here we are going to take square matrix. Okay. The similar way, here I combine these things, 3.
Okay.
Like here, the combine those things. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Combine చేసిన తర్వాత I will get the answer in here like this. Okay. Now in superposition, I am going to add zeros in between. See.
Okay, అది అర్థమైంది సార్.
యాడ్ చేయడం వల్ల మనకి ఇక్కడ 0 ఏర్పడింది.
Okay.
The first matrix we are getting 0. Here మనం సెకండ్ ఎలిమెంట్ తీసుకున్నప్పుడు 0 అనేది పైన స్టార్ట్ చేసాం కాబట్టి here you get the 0.
అంటే మనం ఇది ప్లస్ ఉంది కాబట్టి ముందు స్టార్టింగ్ 0 కూడా రాసుకోవచ్చు కదా సార్?
ఏది ఇక్కడ ఫస్ట్ ఎలిమెంట్ లోనా?
ఫస్ట్ ఎలిమెంట్ లో.
ఫస్ట్ ఎలిమెంట్ లో నువ్వు 0 రాసుకుంటే సెకండ్ ఎలిమెంట్ లో మధ్యలో రాసుకోవాలి.
ఓకే, అలా చేయొచ్చు అంటున్నా సార్.
చేయొచ్చు. There is no problem. Okay, why? Because here the values can change.
ఓకే. ఈక్వేషన్ నంబర్ 4 కూడా ఒకసారి చెప్పండి సార్. ఈక్వేషన్ నంబర్ 4 అను లాస్ట్‌ది ఒకసారి. ఈక్వేషన్ నంబర్ 4 లాస్ట్‌ది.
This is
యూత్
equation number 4. Okay.
కింద సార్ దాని కింద వాల్యూ ఎలా వచ్చింది చెప్పండి సార్. అది
Yeah.
అర్థమైంది. అది
U3.
సార్.
Yeah.
ఆ!
This one is previous. Previous we
ఓకే.
can take.
ఆ!
Okay. In
ఓకే సార్.
previous, like yesterday I said this one. See.
ఆ! ఓకే సార్. ఇప్పుడు లాస్ట్‌ది ఒకసారి చెప్పండి.
Okay. In previous I am going to take this equation. Now I form the only stiffness matrix.
అది అర్థమైంది సార్. లాస్ట్.
I am going to only stiffness matrix element 1, element 2, the both. I combine the stiffness matrix in here. What happened? K1, K1 as this.
ఓకే.
In first element we have here, see, 0.
ఓకే సార్.
Then I put 0.
ఓకే సార్. కెన్
Okay,
అండర్స్టాండ్.
minus
ఓకే.
K1, minus K1, like that.
ఓకే
See,
సార్.
here
అర్థమైంది సార్.
0, 0.
ఓకే.
But here 0 is there, but in combination of this one plus this one, I'm going to add this both. Both add system time, 1 is there. That means
Okay.
here K2. The K2 is acting here.
ఓకే సార్.
Here also 0. See, this one is 0 and this one is minus 1. That means the local minus K2. So here it will come minus K2. Minus K2. Like that. Similar way here minus 1 is there. That means minus K1. Minus K1. So 0 is there. And in this here 1. Minus 1. Okay. So minus K2. Minus K2. Now here is 1 is there. That means K1. Now here come to the here. This is also positive 1. That means K2. Okay. That means both are
K1 plus K2.
K1 plus K2.
Okay.
Now
Thank you,
the
sir.
associated with U1, U2, U3. Like that. Okay.
Okay, sir. Okay. Thank you.
Okay. Right. Right. Any doubts? Premila, attendance తీసుకున్నావా?
తీసుకున్నా సార్.
గుడ్. ఓకే. ఇంకేం డౌట్స్ లేవా? డౌట్స్ లేవంటే చెప్పండి, వెళ్ళిపోదాం. ఇంకా ఉండండి ఒక్కసారి, నేను రికార్డింగ్ ఆఫ్ చేస్తాను. ఐఎమ్ గోయింగ్ టు స్టాప్ ది రికార్డింగ్.